Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Welcome back. We're gonna unbox this radio and receive this. They package it very well, as you can tell. And so let's open it up. Haven't even looked at it yet, so let's check it out together. Turn other way so you can see it, I assume. This is it. It's a AM radio in the box. So let's take it out of this. Let me take it out, bring it back. Is the box in decent shape, as you can see. It should be sometime 1980, maybe they make this 80s. Blabber mouse radio. Interesting. Let's take it out of the box, of course. That was an eBay purchase. And it's like a brand new. Take it out of the box like that. Oh, it seems like it have also the instruction manual. Still, as you can tell, this inside seems like it never been opened up. I know the person told me that it has a battery in it. They tested before they sent it to me. So let's take this out. I assume it comes out like this, yeah. Put this aside. Next. There's a Radio Shack, of course. 1987. The copyright says 1987. The Tandy Corporation, which is Radio Shack. So let's check it out. This is how it looks like, and that's the side, of course. Yes, the battery is right here. Yeah, it has a full battery inside. Very interesting. It's never been used. Let's check it out. I hope it's gonna work. So believe me, I don't want to work in any more radios, right? That's not true. I love to work on radios. Let's turn it on. Yeah, it's picking up more station. That is good. Is MOF supposed to move? That's not working. I need to read that. Let me just turn this off. To read this to see why this MOF is not working. It's an AM again, just is picking up a couple of stations, that's all. All right, folks.
I didn't really see much of a difference. Anyway, later on, but it's like I didn't see much of a difference between the way
he has a great song, as you can tell. Anyway, just want to show you this, unboxing this. I hope you enjoy all this radio collection that I have. folks, I hope you all enjoyed these videos. And thank you for taking your valuable time watching these videos. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.